Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can back up your camera roll on Snapchat. So to do it, all you have to do is open your Snapchat app. Now go to your profile on the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the little gear icon on the top right corner of your screen. And now scroll down until you see the option Memories. So right away you can see an option named Smart Backups. Smart Backup, where it says memories may back up over mobile data when Wi-Fi is unavailable. So this option is ticked, but if yours is unticked, you can tick this option so that Snapchat will automatically back up your camera roll to Snapchat. So that is basically how you back up your camera roll on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.